Welcome. I will be your nightmare for the evening. So tell me, what are you afraid of?
Maybe you're afraid of being submerged in the ocean with no way out as predators descend upon you.
Or maybe you fear knives. The feel of cold steel dragging across your flesh, splitting it apart. Or maybe you fear insects, cockroaches and spiders that will crawl all over you and inside of you, eating you from within. Or maybe you fear isolation, being all alone with nowhere to go and no one to turn to. As the walls close in on you, the silence is deafening. But there's only one thing you really need to fear. Me. You're not asleep. This is real. I'm real. And I will not rest until I have destroyed your life. Everyone and everything that you care about will be gone.
You can't escape. You can't outrun me. No matter where you go or what you do, I will find you.
And I will murder you. So what's your next move, victim? Will you accept your fate or try to prolong it just a little while longer? The choice is yours.
Where do you think you're gonna go? There's nowhere to hide inside a bad dream. Don't be afraid. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm gonna kill you. Let's find something you're afraid of, shall we? What about clowns? Do you fear clowns with their painted faces and big smiles? You just know they want to harm you in one way or another. Do you fear needles? Or falling from great heights? Or old dolls that move on their own? Maybe you fear the living dead. Corpses that have been reanimated to feast on your flesh. Gosh, the possibilities are endless. We're gonna have a lot of fun in here. Yours is a very twisted mind to begin with, after all. Let's play!
Well, yo, homie matey. Welcome to my Pirate's Cove. Are you ready for some pain and misery? Let's see if your old pal Foxy can find something you're afraid of. What about snakes slithering all over you as you sit there with fear and anticipation of the bite? Their fangs sink into your flesh as they inject their poisons to slowly kill you from within. Are you afraid of suffocation? Whether it be hanging from a noose or having hands wrapped tightly around your pathetic throat, strangling the life out of you. Having your worthless lungs collapse as your dying breath creeps out. I love it. I love it. What about someone carving your face off and wearing it like a mask? Or that same someone making furniture out of your skin and bones? Speaking of bones, maybe you fear having them broken, or better yet, smashed and shattered. Maybe you fear being gutted, or having your head smashed, or getting shot, or decapitated. Oh, the possibilities are endless. What if you're being hunted by a pack of rabid dogs who want nothing more than to sink their teeth in and eat away at you until nothing is left? Well then, you better run. Just remember, this is your nightmare, and there is no escaping us. Not this time.
Hello everyone! Welcome to... I'm Chica! Let's eat! Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter? Aren't you hungry? I bet your mouth is watering right now. Don't tell me you're afraid of a few mutations. Well, what else are you afraid of? The darkness? Well, maybe you don't fear the dark itself. Maybe you fear what's inside the darkness. You fear ghosts? Restless spirits that haunt you and reach out to you in the night? Tell me, do you see dead people? Or what about something a bit more demonic? Watching the people you care about being turned into helpless pawns of the devil. Their bodies contorting and twisting, their organs failing them as they're rotting from within. So many options! Soon you're going to wish you were dead. You won't be. You need to suffer first.